हाँ यार, सच में बहुत ही ज्यादा बोर
कहीं
हो रहा है।
घूमने ही जाते हैं वही।
कहाँ जाना?
गोवा जाते हैं।
हाँ, गर्मी में मजा भी आएगी। और
गोवा
पता
में
है
कैसे
गोवा में
बताएगा, बहुत सारे बीचेस वगैरह है, अपन एंजॉय भी ज्यादा करेंगे, शॉपिंग का तो
हाँ,
भाई
बहुत
पूछने का
मजा
सवाल ही
आएगा।
नहीं है।
पता है शाम में
बहुत
क्या
सारे
कर
शाम में तो
एक सेकंड
यार,
उसे बोलने
अरे
दीजिए।
शाम में वहाँ पे पार्टीज
मेरी
वार्टीज
बात
भी
तो
रहेंगे बहुत
सुनो।
सारी।
एक बार उसे
अरे
बोलने दो।
अरे तो फिर अरे बाबा ऐसे
Guys,
मत
एक
करो।
सेकंड,
अरे अपनी लगा
एक
के
एक
रखो,
करके
किसी
बात
बोल
कर
रही
लो।
वो
अरे
पता है
तो तू
मुझे, एक
देख रही
सेकंड
है, बोल
बट
Oh God, guys, you might be quite familiar with this situation, right? Because हमारे daily life में भी ये situation हमेशा होती रहती है. So to improve this messy situation or to sort this, I have made this video for all of you guys so that we can improve our communication skills. So I hope that all of you will enjoy it. As we clearly saw in the video that due to that communication barrier, one is not able to share their views or can say anything, and hence there is no communication going on. And also, one more thing which I would like to clear to all of you is that whenever we talk about communication, communication doesn't only mean what we speak, but communication also has some other factors which highly impacts on our communication skills. And so for that, I welcome you all for today's video. As in this video, I have talked about those factors which is impacting our communication skills. So I hope that all of you will enjoy it and you will learn a lot. Let me clear this out. So whenever you want to communicate, body language plays a very vital role. And that's the first factor which we are going to discuss in today's video. I feel like body language spices up the entire conversation. And it actually adds on some extra inputs to the conversation so that the person listening to you listens to you very carefully and actively. And not only this, but I also feel that body language, tells about our emotion, and not only emotions but our intentions as well. So for that, just imagine a person is nodding his head while talking to you. So what does that nodding mean? The nodding means that he is listening to you very carefully, and not only listening, but he is understanding whatever things you are telling him. So that is how body language actually makes a difference. Okay, so to make you understand more better, I would like to show you some clips and I want you all to spot the difference. Did you guys found any difference? Like these clips are the best example to show you that how body language makes a huge difference. Body language has many other things which comes with it, like which we have seen in the previous clips. So for example, if we talk about this clips, then we can clearly see the facial expressions, the positive posture, the open hand movements and eye contact with the person whom you are talking to. And these things actually matters a lot because it drives in attention in your communication. And it actually makes the person interested in your communication or to talk to you. That is how it's very important. And on the other hand, just imagine slouching your back continuously, not maintaining an eye contact with the person whom you're talking to, not having that open hand movements and just holding back to yourself. Like, what's the point of this? Making that dull face. Will the person be interested to talk to you? No, he's not going to be interested. So that is why, to improve your communication skills, firstly you need to improve your body language, because body language actually drives in attention to the person whom you're talking to in your communication. So please don't ignore it, and to have that best communication skills, please improve your body language.
पार्टीज वार्टीज भी रहेंगे बहुत सारी।
एक बार उसे बोलने दो।
अरे बाबा ऐसे
Guys, एक second. Did you guys understood something? Because I didn't understood anything. And this is a very common situation which happens to us all the time in our daily lives. And what's the point of it? What's the outcome which we are getting? Nothing, right? You know why this situation arises? This situation arises because we are not ready to listen. Not at all. We are not ready to listen what the person is trying to tell us. And this is a very common situation which happens to us in our daily lives. I know. But, so why this happens, why this situation comes. We are not ready to listen just because we make a prejudgment about things. And then when a person tries to tell us something on that thing, you respond to them according to your judgment, which you have made. And that's a very wrong thing to do, because you're not going to understand their perception or their POV. Because every person has its own POV about things, has its own perception about certain things. So it's very important to listen to them according to their perception, not on your prejudgment. Because if you will do this, if you will respond according to your judgment, then there is no communication which will take place for sure. क्योंकि वो इंसान फिर आपके साथ नेक्स्ट टाइम से बात करने में इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं होगा. You understand it now. And also one thing, whenever I say that listen to them or some things like this, then just don't listen. Understand what they are saying. Understand, think about it and then reply to them. Because ऐसे भी होता है कि हम कभी भी ऐसे ही replies दे देते हैं बिना सोचे समझे. So don't do that. So these are the factors which I think are the most important factors to improve your communication skills. And if you will implement these factors, both of these, you will actually be improving your communication skill, and people will actually be interested in talking to you. So yeah.